Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 and prop money in my saving challenges here. So let's start saving. How are you guys doing today? We are going to start with every Friday of 2025. And we are going to do the 11th here, July 11th. All right, 10 and 11. Just feel like I have stuff everywhere. So $11. And this money goes to an extra payment towards that when I'm complete with the whole month. And we have our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And of course, I don't have everything out. Where's my D8? Perfect. This is my D8. So what I'm doing is rolling a D8 for each week of the month. And okay, today we saving $1. A whopping $1. Put that in here. All right, so next we are going to say with Judy, and this is her monthly challenge here. So each icon is $5, and we're gonna go ahead and do an icon. So let's do this color. Perfect. Let's color in the mid too. All right, so let's put our $5 in. And this is this one and the last one that I did, the weekly savings, both goes towards my son's senior year. And next we are going to do Spring Fling, and this is created by Coco Chic Living, and this is going towards back to school. And I think I'm gonna do $10. Yes, let's do 10. So let's do 3, 6, 9, and 10. And we almost finished with that. We finished with this whole side. Yeah, so we are working on a couple 3s here. So $10. Are you guys taking advantage of the Amazon Prime deals? Let me know, what are you getting? What are you planning on getting? I'm looking at some of the school supply stuff and cleaning stuff, but that's just about it. Nothing too big. Because sometimes you can get like cleaning supplies on there for fairly cheap. So here I think I'm just rolling a D6, and for Christmas I like to put at least $20 in. And let me move some stuff over. This is created by Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. So let me put the calculator on this side. So that's a little 20 in here. Let's grab the 20 and let's get the rolling. And we just gonna start here. So 1, 2, and 3. And of course, we get an icon. And when you get an icon, what you do is you just grab a card. So let's spread them out here. And let's grab one. And it says save an even number. What do we want to say? Should I just roll and see? Let's make this a little spicy. Let's get a, what is this? 12-sided die? I think so. Yeah, 12-sided die. Let's see. And we got a 1. That's not going to work. We need an even number. We got an 8. Perfect. So, oh, no. So minus 8. Okay, perfect. That was good. That was good. All right. Let's roll again. So that will stop here. 5, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So back 2, 1, 2. So $2. So minus 2. All right. Oops, wrong dice. Let's go again. 2, 1, 2. Or should I just cross that one out? Let's cross that one out. So we got 1, 2, so 3. So minus 3. So we got 7. Let's go again. 1, 2. Any amount. Okay. So since we have $7 left, let's just do the 7. So that's the whole $20. Perfect. All right. So Christmas is taken care of. And we only got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little rounds to go. I think. I don't know. Yeah, but I finished all the scratch offs already. So we just playing the little games, which is awesome. All right. So next we have, so let me see. How much money we got? 20, 30, 40. We still got a lot of money left. So let's go to back to school. And we have one more sticker left here. So that's $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do have these little stars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go ahead and finish this one. So let's go ahead and put the stars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. So this is created by Lemon Ivy. So $7, 5, 6, 7. And let's see how much this is for back to school. So this completed challenge, it's like an 80 plus, because those stars you can make how much you want it to be. So let's see. Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4. Put these 2 back. Oh goodness, hot mess. Okay. All right, we have 50, 70, 80, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, $89. Yes, $89 for back to school. I'm just going to stick this in here. Let me put 89. 89. Perfect. Oh my goodness, my stomach is growling. I hope you guys didn't hear that. So $89. All right, let's go back to the save. $2,025 in 2025. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And let's see how much we got left. So we got 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, $38. So $38. What are we going to do? 38. So let's do minus 20. Ew, no, we're not doing minus 20. So 38. So let's do minus 19, minus, yeah, 19 and 19. Perfect. That sounds like a deal. So let's do for $38. And then we'll be almost done with this square or this column here. Oh no, I was coloring the wrong one. No. Perfect. Perfect. So $40. All right. And then I'm saving these scratch offs for towards the end. Cause yeah. So that was 20, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, $38 going into this challenge. Perfect. And so we completed the back to school one. And that is my year of savings. Ooh, it's getting fat. All right. Thank you so much, Gems, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.